In this video, I'll show you how to screen mirror on your laptop. Go to the settings on your Windows. Scroll down and select projecting to this PC option. You will see that there is no active wireless display option installed. Click on the optional feature text. Select View Feature. Now search wireless display. Check the box and click the next button and then install. Let it install the feature. Once installation is completed, it will ask to restart system. Then again go to the settings. Scroll down and select projecting to this PC option. Now you will see there are some options appearing for wireless projection. Keep the settings as per your requirements. Then click on Launch the wireless display app to project to this PC. Ensure both laptop and cell phone are on the same network to avoid any issues. Go on your cell phone, enable screen mirror or smart view option on your phone. Once it's enabled, it will show you your laptop name. Tap on that and screen will be mirrored on your laptop.